Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do rainbow cake with crusting buttercream. So here's all my pre-mixed colors already, each in individual bag. And all I'm gonna do is just snap the tip off, just like that, blank. I'm not gonna use any tips. And I have 6 colors. And I'm just gonna start one by one and eyeball it how to spread it about equal on the side of the cake first. Okay, so my cake is all nice and chilled. It's been sitting in a refrigerator. It's all crumb coated, so nice base for me, so makes it easy to decorate right now. All right, so the very top of the cake will be light pink color icing, so that's I'm gonna put right to the edge. And then I'm just gonna spread my colors, and I'm gonna adjust how wide each stripe gonna be, kind of make it easy on me because it's crusting buttercream. So I cannot do traditional buttercream stripes, you know, when you make a grooves and you chill the cake and you spread other color on it and scrape it. So that's when you get very nice sharp lines. On the crusting buttercream you can't really refrigerate it, so it becomes hard, so it will continues to stay kind of soft. So I'm gonna do it this way so you will see how it looks like. We can still get pretty close to be nice color separation, but it's still gonna kind of bleed into each other, which is kind of still looks nice actually. Make it good color change. All right, so see what I'm doing here is spreading my colors. I'm adding a little color where I think it's a little thin spots, like blue right there, so you can just go back easily and fill in some spots. And gonna check my colors, make sure it's all nice for me, and I'm gonna do the top as well. All right, so that way that color on top will be all done. So just fill in the middle, just like that. So that way it's the same thickness all over the cake. And I'm just gonna spread it on top of the cake first. That way, as you can see, whichever I'm scraping off the top, I'm gonna put right straight back in the bag, because no other color been mixed in it. So just the one off the top. All right, so I'm just gonna work a little bit on that. Make sure it's nice and smooth and even. Okay, and once you're happy with that, go ahead, take your spatula, make sure the spatula comes to the edge of the cake on top, and very smoothly try to drag it just like that. And now you can see our stripes. So I'm just gonna continue to do that all around the cake, and see, like, you may find the spots like that, so no worries, just get your color. Like here I'm gonna take more orange and pipe it right over, like so, and take your spatula back again and run it again, see? So that's what you will end up with. So I'm just gonna go smoothly and continue that all around the cake. And as you can see, I have a lots of ridges going like that, so eliminate that. I'm just gonna do one long swoop motion like that. That way I only have one at the end, like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna fix the top of the cake so it looks a little better, and use my all handy paper towel to smooth my cake nicely. All right, I'm using Viva paper towels on the smooth side. I'm gonna leave all the links below in the description box, all my supplies that I use on this cake, the paper towels that I'm using, the colors that I was using to color all my colors. So I'm just gonna continue go like that all around the edge, like that, and then I'm gonna put my topper in. So the dowel's a little too tall for that, so I'm gonna cut a little bit off and put it in the middle of my cake, just like that. And then I'm just gonna use plain white icing and pipe buttercream clouds that will go all around the base of my topper and a little bit at the bottom of the cake as well, just like that. If you want to see how I made this rainbow topper, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box, but that video is for members only. So if you haven't subscribed to my memberships yet, please do so, and I'll thank you in advance for supporting my channel, supporting my work, and that way you can see a little bit extra bits here and there that others can't, so that will make you hopefully a little bit more special on my channel. So thank you very much. All right, so just like that, little clouds here and there, a little bit at the bottom if you need to. Like that. And you can see when you pipe at the top of the each white cloud like a little like a tail. So to tap it down, just use again the edge of the paper towel and make them nice and round. All right, you can spray a little glitter on it, make it all nice and girly, put the name, put the message, or any other decorations what you have, and that's pretty much it. So that's how I make my rainbow design colors with the crusting buttercream. All right, so I think it come out pretty good. So I hope you guys like this channel, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video, and I will see you next time. Bye, love you so much.